Oh my gosh, it's so nasty outside. Oh, this weather. All right, so what is on today's agenda? Well, first things first, I am going to go get some gas if I can find my keys. And then we're gonna get some breakfast because I am starving. I normally don't eat breakfast, but today's a different day. So let's go get some breakfast. All right, first things first, I've got to have some breakfast. I'm absolutely starving this morning. So with that being said, we are going to eat some breakfast. Bojangles, if you know, you know. So I'm going to eat this real quick. So before I can even get my day started, we got a little delivery from Walmart here. Let's see what we got. When you're doing YouTube videos, you know, you obviously run out of a lot of storage, so you use a lot of storage. So we had to pick up a 2 terabyte SSD so I can continue to make videos because, like I said, I ran out. Yes, that was a nice little delivery. Thank God for Walmart Plus, you get free delivery. So that's pretty cool. Now we can go ahead and keep moving on and actually get my day started. So one of the benefits that I love about having a CNC machine is obviously it's like having another set of hands in the shop. I mean, I can just basically design anything I want to design, bring it over here to the machine, let it cut it out, and it just does its thing. And I don't have to worry about sitting here and babysitting it. And that's probably one of the main reasons I'm a one-man shop, because I just find trying to find help is very hard, and there's certain ways that I want things done, and if they can't get done that way, then I just assume do it myself. I'm able to design things and products and hopefully bring them to the market one day soon. So you're probably wondering, what in the world am I watching? Yeah, this is definitely a different style video than what I normally post, but I kind of want to get into doing a little bit more daily vlogging in the shop, kind of showing you what I'm working on a daily basis and trying to post 2 or 3 videos a week to kind of bridge the gap between these big YouTube build videos. I know I don't post a lot, but doing the big videos kind of takes time. So this hopefully will bridge that gap and give somebody something to watch that kind of finds just working in the shop interesting. So I have something really cool that I kind of want to show you guys. I added it to the shop because most of the time my videos, it's just kind of wide open lighting like this right here. So to add some dramatic effect in my videos, check this right here out. Bam! That looks so awesome. And what's really neat about these lights is I can change it to any color that I desire. There's like 36,000 different colors that I can change them to. And it just kind of gives it like that dramatic effect in my shop, which I really like. And I can take a normal like video light and kind of just light up what I'm working on, and then the background you'll kind of see this bluish color or whatever color I decide to put the videos. But you'll see that very soon because the video that I have coming out's got some of this neat lighting effect to it. So stay tuned for that, but just want to show that to you guys. I think that's really awesome. sure you're probably wondering what I'm making. Well, this is a golf club holder for a man cave slash simulator. Spoiler alert, I took my old workshop and turned it into a man cave slash simulator room. I'll probably show some clips of that at some point in the video, but that's what this is. It's a golf club holder. I've made several of these, and I just had some more orders, so that's what I'm working on today. But basically, you can store your golf clubs here. You've got little spots right here to put your golf balls in. It's gonna get decked out with walnut. This will get painted black. They turn out really awesome, and I'll probably show a finished product at some point in this video, but that's what I'm working on in case you're wondering. Check this bad boy out. This is a coping sled from Kouros Tools. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting a coping sled for the longest time, but they are super expensive, and this was a more affordable option, and this thing is sick. I can't wait to use this thing and set it up. I just got it the other day and unboxed it, and I'm just pumped about this thing. Like, look at this thing. All the pneumatic clamps to hold it down to run my door parts through the shaper. I cannot wait. I will have more about this thing once I actually set it up and use it, but I'm pumped. I can't wait. Man, what a day to start this new series of basically trying to do daily vlogs or whatever in the wood shop. I don't even know what you want to call it. But it's lunchtime. We officially made it. I'm over here at my other shop right now. And I'll show you guys this other shop here in a second. But I am not going to eat any lunch, however, because I did have breakfast and I normally don't eat breakfast. However, we are going to eat this Mr. Beast Feastables little chocolate bar here. Cool little fact for you. Mr. Beast actually lives like 10 minutes down the road from me here in Greenville, North Carolina. So that's pretty cool. But this is going to be my lunch. I'm going to catch up on some emails, and I'll show you kind of what's in here because I know you're dying to see. And we're going to let off some steam. All right, so let's just do a mini tour of my home office. Probably looks a lot different than most home offices, but it is what it is. I had one chance at this, and this is what I was going to do. So anyway, as soon as you walk in the door, you have a high top bar area right here, seats 4. It's covered in junk right now. I need to clean it. But I actually built this out of some scrap stuff that I had when I was building my new shop. So it kind of worked out pretty good. I was able to make a bar and it didn't really cost me anything. So that worked out awesome. Then immediately to the left, you have a mini bar kind of set up over here, built-in fridge, pouring station, sink, all that good stuff over there. Once again, I had some leftover white oak from a job, so I built it all out of white oak. I still need to put the handles on the drawers, as you can see, and the doors, but hey, we'll get there eventually. Then immediately to the right of that, we have some couches that I bought from Amazon, like little futon style couches, 2 of them. Perfect for seating when you're entertaining people over here. When you're playing on the golf simulator, you can chill out, hang out, and watch other people hit. And then we have a little putting area right here to the right in front of the little bar area. You got about 13 feet worth of putts you can try to practice on, try to dial in your putting. And then obviously the main attraction, the golf simulator itself. Now, I did all this DIY. I built the enclosure. I laid the turf. I did all that. I wish I could have done a full-blown video on it, but unfortunately, I was trying to get it done in a timely manner, so I just didn't get to do it. But I absolutely love this thing. I cannot tell you how much I enjoy coming out here and hitting golf balls. It don't matter whether it's cold, it's hot, it's raining. I can always come in here and hit a golf ball. So that's awesome. Then immediately on the back wall, we have a couple TVs, the mini split. And I kind of just followed suit from my new shop that I have and just hung some tongue and groove on the back, make it basically like a feature wall. Just kind of looks neat. So I really like the way it turned out, and I can hang things all over the wall, so that's really cool. And then right here we have the actual workstation. So we got the dual monitor set up, gaming PC down there to run the simulator software, couple 3D printers over here in the corner, and yeah, I mean, that's just kind of like an all-around quick little tour of the home office. So this is what's really cool about having one of these at home is my lunch break. If I don't want to eat lunch, then I'll just come out here and hit some golf balls. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now that I am completely out of breath, I about wore myself out. Like I said, love having this at home. I mean, I probably spend way too much time out here. My wife can probably confirm that, but I absolutely enjoy having this here. It's so easy to go play 9 holes, play 18 holes. I can do it in 30 or 45 minutes. So it's just really cool to have that. And but yeah, I gotta get some stuff done, answer some emails, and yeah, we'll get back to the shop. See guys, the grind don't stop. Even on lunch, I'm over here editing a video, trying to get it out Sunday. So don't want to show too much of it, but hopefully it'll be dropping Sunday, and we're working on it hard as we can go. All right, so we made it back from lunch, back over here in the main shop. I got a few more of those club holders that I need to get finished up. I need to run them through the router table, assemble them, and then basically prep them for paint. Not going to paint today. The weather is just terrible and it's not cooperating, so I'm not gonna worry about painting today. That'll probably be tomorrow. So yeah, and then I'm in between jobs right now. I went and measured the other day. I ordered material. So hopefully you'll be seeing some vlog style videos with some cabinet making going on here in the next few days. But yeah, just waiting on material to get here. And once that gets here, we can get started on that. By the way, check out this camera guy I have here. Yeah, this is my new camera setup. It's on wheels. I can roll it around. I absolutely love this thing. I finally shot my first video with it. I'm editing it now, but this thing is sweet. All right, so I do want to show you that I do have all these club holders done over here. There's like 6 of them, I think. Yeah, they're gonna turn out really cool. I can't wait to get them done, get them shipped out, because I know the people that are waiting on them are gonna be super thrilled. But I do want to show you what they look like when they are completely done, because right now they just look like a bunch of MDF glued together. So I'll show you what they look like when they're done. So check out this club holder right here. This is actually one that I offer in cherry. So it's all painted black, and then it has the cherry accents on the top. And then you have a magnetic custom laser engraved plate here. You can put any logo on. It's magnetic, so it stays in the base. And yeah, just the kind of product that I thought about one day. Having a golf simulator, I really wanted to build something like this, and I did, and people love it. So I've been selling them for a little while now, and I just got more to make. So that's what this video was all about, was just what I was doing in the shop today since I was in between projects. But this thing is awesome. Oh yeah, and there's also little rubber feet on the bottom of it, so it won't slide around on your turf. So pretty cool. So now that I actually set mine up, you can see here, check that out. Pretty cool, pretty happy with how it came out. And the little slots right up here at the very top, that's just for holding golf balls. Like I said, you got the laser engraved plate. This one's done in cherry. This is my personal one, but I do offer them in maple and also walnut. But yeah, holds 13 clubs. Couldn't do the putter because putters are obviously all different sizes. The grips are at least. But what I love about it is you can come right up here and you can easily see whatever club you want to hit. It's right there. Pick it, hit it, put it back. Simple as that. All right, well, I think we are coming to the end of my work day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, first ever vlog style video. I'd love to keep making them if you want to see them, so just let me know in a comment down below. Just sat down at the computer. I'm about to start editing this footage right now, and hopefully I can drop it tomorrow. And that's kind of how these vlog style videos will go. A little behind the scenes, they come out a lot quicker, just bridges the gap between, you know, big build videos and stuff like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, drop a comment, let me know if you want to see more of it. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.